Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to fix unwanted website opening up on our Chrome browser on our Android device. So if you're also having that issue, you may follow up these steps in order to fix it, and also like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. The first thing we can do is we can go ahead and block pops up and redirects on the Chrome. So open up Chrome app for that on your particular device, and then once you open it up, you will be finding this particular interface on your screen. The next thing you need to do is go ahead and tap on the three dot in the top right corner, the vertical dots, and that should open up a menu on your screen. From the given menu, you may scroll down and find the settings option and open it up. After you open up settings, you may just scroll down and go to permission section. Here, find it up, or you can basically go ahead and look out for this section called Site Settings. So you can scroll down and find the Advanced tab. There you should be finding Site Settings available. Go ahead and tap on that option and it should open it up. From here, you may just scroll down and find the option for pops up, pop-ups, and redirect. So go ahead and tap on it and you just need to block it. If this option is turned on like this, you may just go ahead and tap on it in order to turn it off, and that should block sites from showing pops up and redirects. So you can close this up for now. The another thing we can do is we can go ahead and clear our cache and data for Chrome. So go to Chrome, long press on Chrome, and app info tab should open up on the top right. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, it should open up the app info. From here, you may scroll down and find the section for storage. You may tap on storage. And once you tap on storage, you can tap on clear cache. And then you can even go ahead and clear data. For that, go to manage storage. From manage storage, you can find option for clear all data. When you go and tap on clear all data, it will basically log you out of all the websites and clear all the data available in Chrome. That should stop opening unwanted websites automatically on your device. Apart from that, we can reset Chrome settings. So open up the Chrome app again on your device. And once you open it up, you can tap on the more icon, the three vertical dots in the top right. And once you tap on it, you can go ahead and access your settings. Scroll down for that and find the settings from the given menu and tap on it. And then once you tap on settings, this opens up. Now what you need to do is find the option for resetting your settings here. Just go ahead and find it up. Or you may go ahead and manually clear your browsing data. For that, go to privacy and security and go ahead and tap on delete browsing data. And you can go ahead and delete the browsing data. You can select the time range and all of these options like site settings, and also check mark the history, cookies, site data, and tap on delete data, and that should do it. So for now, you can try out these methods available to stop opening the unwanted websites automatically on your Android device. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.